It's a supercar. It is a 720S that I just picked up. Twin turbo, 4-liter V8. About $210,000. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are going to talk about this McLaren 720S Spyder that I just picked up for Tiffany. So let's go ahead and get into it. So Tiffany, how do you like your car today?
I think I love it. No.
I think I just let the cat out of the bag, guys. I said for the day. So what's going on is we are on vacation because normally this is a Fox body channel. We're normally driving Fox bodies. We don't normally drive McLarens, do we, Tiff?
No.
So this is her first supercar, and it's more for her because, as you'll find out, guys, I'm a little bit too big for this car. So Tiffany's the one that's mainly driving. I can kind of fit in it. We'll get into that. But no, actually, we are on vacation. We are in Las Vegas, Nevada, Las Vegas, and Tiff just, she said, I need a supercar, right?
I wanted it.
No, really, we're just having fun, actually. So we're in the mountains. It is gorgeous out here, guys. And we just thought, we'd try one out. So what this is our car for like 4 hours, right?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. So we didn't buy it, obviously. We did pick it up. So I wasn't kidding about that in the title, but yeah, we didn't buy it. And we're just kind of out here hanging out, having fun, and wanted to show you guys everything about the car. So we're gonna do a quick review about it. Like I said, normally, Fox Body channel. Don't worry, Fox Bodies aren't going anywhere, but while we're on vacation, figured to shoot a quick video on this. So let me go ahead and talk about what we have here though. This is technically a McLaren 720S Spyder. And the reason why it's a Spyder is probably one of the coolest features. It's basically a convertible. You know what? I just thought about this, Tiff, but we love convertibles here on the channel, dude.
We do. I guess we still have to do it even if it's a supercar.
Yeah. So our first supercar, first experience, and it's convertible. So let's go ahead and put the top down, Tiff. So in case you're in your McLaren supercar, you do have to hit the start button one time.
There you go.
There we go. And now she's gonna push the button, which is there in the middle, and yeah, let's do it. There you go. Check that out. Vert gang. It's all about the convertibles, but yeah, there we go. And actually, this is the preferred method for me to fit in because, Tiff, why don't you go ahead and get in? All right, and the coolest thing about these cars is honestly the doors. Pull the door down, there you go. That is so cool. All right, and I'll show you guys the reason why she's driving. This will be good. All right, here, you hold the camera. I'll show them how to get in. So this is the maneuver for me. You gotta go this way first. Pick this leg up. All right, notice the leg room. It's kind of like an airplane for me. Pick up the other one. Okay, hey, I'm in. And thanks to the roof being off, I've got good headroom.
It's also a little easier without the steering wheel in your way.
And again, I'm gonna show you why I really need the top off. Tiff, go ahead and put the top back up. It's beeping, all kinds of beeping. We're gonna show you how close this gets to my head. There we go. I am 6'5". For anybody that doesn't know, I'm 6'5". All right, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys right now why I have the top up. I prefer that because, oh my gosh, what happened to my headroom? It's gone. I've got like, I don't know, what is that? How much room you think that is, Tiff?
Are you counting above your hair?
Well, my head's technically right here. No, but anyway, it's a little tight. So we've been riding in it, some with the top down. Get back out of here. Let me tell you more about the car. But yeah, so it's a supercar. It is a 720S. Now the thing about it is it's very light. So Fox Body guys, our cars are light already. My convertible's a little heavier, 3,400, but most of the time you can get them around close to 3,000 pounds, 2,900. Believe it or not, this is only a little bit heavier, 3,100 pounds. So it is very light, and the horsepower from the factory is really close to this number. It ranges from 710 to 720, somewhere in there. I've seen some different reports, but it moves. It moves. And Tiffany's already drove it here a little bit. She's hiding in there. Here. Oh, let me show you guys how you open the door on the outside. This is so cool. There is a little button right here. You just gotta Grab that. There you go. It comes up so nice and smooth. I love that. But Tiff, you drove it a little bit today.
I did.
Now what did you think so far?
You know what? I don't know if I'm gonna actually get into it. Tar heel fox scares me with how loud it is. And
it only has 400 horsepower.
Yeah, there was a couple times I hit the gas and it growled.
Yeah.
And I got scared.
Speaking of growling, let's go ahead and show that. So let's crank it up. We're gonna let you hear startup on this thing. The exhaust pipes, they exit right here on the top, which is really kind of neat. It is rear engine as well, so the engine's back here. It has a trunk or a frunk. But anyway, yeah, let's hear it start up, babe. Let's hear this thing. Sounds pretty good. It's not cam, but that initial sound sounds pretty good. Now, are we in track mode? I don't think so, right? You guys can see down the bottom of the screen it says non-active, but Tiff hit the active button. Oh, and we're going to track, which means it goes like that. That is track mode. So, babe, you have to drive like that because everything moves.
Oh, man.
Yeah, but change it back to sport, and guys, you'll see the console will move back up here. And there we go. In sport mode, so a little bit easier to read there. What do you think about that startup, baby?
Wow.
I do want to tell you a little bit more about the engine, so let me bring in again my lovely assistant. Let's go, Vanna. Now, the one thing is, this part was missing when we rented it, so yeah, normally they would have that.
We're not destroying the supercar.
No, we are not. And I forgot to talk about that too. Tiff, I don't know if you know, do you know how much this originally cost? Is it 2018? Any ideas?
It's gotta be so much.
Yeah, so as it sits right now, guys, if you wanted to buy this car, it'd be about $210,000. But in 2018, brand new base, 300.
Wow.
300 grand.
Wow.
But yeah, talking about the engine, by the way, guys, again, we did not buy this for 300 grand, but we are going to be very careful with it. We don't want to have to pay that. So it is a twin turbo 4-liter V8. So it is still a V8. It is still rear wheel drive. It is a light car. It's a convertible. It's just like a Fox body, don't you think, babe? It's just like a Fox body.
Just like a Fox.
Yeah. Just, you know, you could buy like 20 Fox bodies for this. Maybe not that much. Prices have gone up, but you could buy a lot. Also, I had her all glammed up because, of course, the thumbnail. You got to get the thumbnail. But
you're going to talk about my outfit. What about your outfit?
That's true. I didn't even address this yet. I showed up to rent this car. I walked in, of course, this shirt, student driver. what was the first reaction, Tiff?
He started laughing. It was so funny. He was
the guy that we were renting the car from.
We were renting the car from. Yeah, he started laughing. He was like, "This is perfect."
So if you do wear a student driver shirt, they still will let you rent the car. But yeah, we think it's really fast. Honestly, we took it easy because we kind of rented it and we're liable, but it's we're gonna try it out. We are. In the next video, the follow-up video, we're gonna drive it, but this one we just wanted to cover a review real quick. Let's go ahead and open up the frunk. We call it the frunk, baby. It's not the trunk. It's not doing anything. I think you got to turn it on first. Oh, now you started it.
Oh, I started. Maybe I just wanted to hear that sound again.
All right, this is how you get out. We did how I get out. How do you get out? There you go.
There we go.
If you want storage space, this is also close to like a convertible in a Fox body. You don't have very much. There we go. This is the trunk slash frunk because it's in the front.
Yes. This looks like it's got straps to be able to like hide down your stuff.
Yeah, grocery getter. Grocery getter here. What's funny is we've been kind of learning about this car today as we drove here. We couldn't figure out the mirrors. We couldn't figure out, apparently it raises up. Oh, let's see if we can demonstrate that real quick.
That'd be cool. Can we close the doors?
Oh, it does require them to be closed. Yep. So we'll close everything. All right, what we're gonna try to do here, guys, is raise it up.
So handy if Tar Heel Fox could do that sometimes.
I know, right? We need to install air nose lift on Tar Heel Fox, but anyway. Right now it should be lower. Tiff's gonna start it up and see if she can raise it, and we'll see if it raises up. It's supposed to help you get over bumps and things like that. Oh, look at that. There it goes. It raises in the back too. Oh, that's really cool. It's definitely sitting much higher now. That will help for bumps and stuff. You guys can see that. All right, let's go ahead and put it back down. It definitely went up. Let's watch it roll down. Ooh, that is handy. All right, come on out, babe. Oh, we got to show them. I said, come on out. She shook her head. We're gonna show you how to get out of this thing. One sec. When you go to open it, window rolls down for you. So when you want to actually get out of the car, there's this button you just have to pick up and then kind of lift, and there you go. Tiffany just reminded me I should at least show what it looks like when I try to get in. So we're gonna do that. I can technically drive it, but we'll demonstrate here. Just remember, you have to have the student driver shirt if you're a guy. Now, if you're a beautiful woman, like the one holding the camera right here, you can drive it whatever you wanna wear. But I am gonna show you guys how bad it is. Let's see, is the seat all the way back? Make sure the steering wheel's all the way up. Okay, here we go. Oh, Oh, the car's already kind of running some air for me. That's good. All right, we're almost there. All right, technically I could drive it. Feels a little bit like a go-kart, but it is pretty cool. Oh, and the paddle shifters. Let me show them that. I did not tell you, it is a dual clutch automatic, so it shifts really quickly, but you know, you've got paddle shifters for downshift, upshift, all that. So that is really cool, and Tiffany demonstrated the nose lift, which that was really hard to find, by the way. In case you're wondering, the nose lift on the 720S is right here. Just in case they're wondering.
Okay, actually, you need to answer a question. Did you actually drive this exactly like this, or how did you have to drive?
All right, fair enough. I had to take my shoes off because otherwise, as you guys know, I have size 18 feet, and I'll show them. Let me throw the camera down there. All right, I got my shoe back. Let me show you guys how tight it is. So this is where I rest my foot on the left here, and that's the brake and the gas. So it's actually not too different from the Fox body there, except there's this whole thing right here I can't put my foot past. So it is worse. These things you do have to kind of like step over. So yeah, not ideal. But what do I really think about it? Would I get one if I had the money? Let's just be frank about that. But if I actually had the money, would I buy this car? And I actually have to say no, mainly because of how I fit in it. Now it's very cool. It gets a lot of looks. I definitely noticed some looks. You noticed some looks, babe?
For sure.
Yeah, but not quite as many in Vegas because you got more of these running around. It's something you can definitely do. You can rent the car in Vegas, but I would not get one. Just to be frank, too much money. I love my Fox bodies. Definitely gonna have more Fox body content coming on the channel. I'm anxious to put her through her paces a little bit. So that's gonna be on the next video. We're gonna do that. We're gonna let Tiffany be the one to push it.
Oh my goodness.
We'll see. Again, it's really uncomfortable for me to drive, so I'll just let her do it. She fits in there very well. Anyway, big thanks to my lovely assistant, Tiffany, as always, for being out here with me. And we're just having fun. More Fox body content coming, don't worry, but there will be another video on this car, us driving it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, probably you don't want to subscribe because I don't normally do this content, but you can if you want. And that's it. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.
I am Wario. I'm a Wario.
I don't have the money to have this kind of car. I don't have the money.
We went to Vegas, of course.
Oh yeah, of course you're out of money. Actually, the real reason we're here, guys, with the car is because we ran out of money gambling at the table, and it was cheaper to rent a car than keep gambling at the tables, right?
That's it, we're out. We just look like we're rolling in it.
Oh boy. Okay, back to, wait till you see the engine in this thing. There's the engine, guys. We forgot to get the engine.
Uh-oh.